Alright, we're starting to pick up some speed. Okay. And again, you're thinking, hey, this is exactly like the beginner series. This is what we didn't cover in the next series. Alright, so we're going to be covering escape characters. So let me go ahead and open up the Google real quick. Actually, I'm going to start from Google. It's on the Java docs. Remember, Java docs are going to be very important to us. Java escape characters right here. Java escape characters. Right here, Oracle. Docs.oracle. Remember, Oracle owns Java. I might have said that in one of the installation videos, but alright. All these right here, see this escape sequence? It represents escape characters. Right here, and it's on the website. So this is going to be very important. This is going to be your manual when you need to look certain things up. You can always do a Google search. I just did a Google search, and Google works very well for most cases. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this again. Yep, here's the result from last time. Now, watch this. We're going to run this again. Yes, it's still on the same line. Now, going back to here. See this new line right here? This right here, these two little characters together represent a character in Java. Nope, I don't want to print that one. And actually, you can kind of see that this is bold. This IDE, I kind of lights it up in bold a little bit. You can't really tell unless you look real close. I didn't notice it until it was until I blew it up. I don't think I even noticed it in the last series. Let's go ahead and run this. But look at this. Even though we just used print, it's not on the same line because this is a new line. Okay? It actually prints it to a new line. This right here, this whole statement is now equivalent to this one. Alright. And I'm going to do ln and get rid of this. So these two program statements that I have right here, they're equivalent to each other. They print the same result. They might have a different operation, maybe not, but they print the same result because this actually prints a new line character, right? What if you wanted to print a backslash? What if I just wanted to print this character here? Is it going to let me know? It's saying that there's a problem right here. This little single slash. How do we fix that? Guess what? We're going to have to wait till we start talking about characters. We're not going to talk about that in this video. If you have to print this, I will post the link just so you can just skip to that video. But when we start talking about characters and how, we'll get into that. All right. But all right, let's talk about another one. A tab. A tab's important. Yep, just like pressing tab on the keyboard. Like if I press tab right here, it jumps a big jump. In this case, it's separated by spaces, like 4 or 5 spaces, but it's really a tab character. Let's take a look. It's \T. Inserts a tab character. Now, I'm not going to go over all of these. I'm only going to go over these two in this video. But here's a list of what they do. And I think in the next one, it'll even provide examples. Nope, it looks like it's going over strings. But I think tabs are very important, especially if you're going to copy and paste text files into Excel. Look, see, it just separates it by the tab here. Now, when I highlight this, notice it's not a bunch of spaces. It's actually one single character. And that's the representation. So we just talked about some characters, right? If you have to just print this, or just print a double slash, or a double backslash, if you have, it looks like it might work. Let's see if that one will work. It just prints one, and that might even be in the yep, inserts a backslash character at the end. So we just talked about a third one on accident. I thought it was going to comment out the code, and we'll talk about comments soon as well. Actually, you know what? We probably got to talk about that next. So that's it for the special characters. So you can't print out whatever character you want. There's a couple special cases. With the knowledge we have right now, we can't print out whatever character we want. But we will be able to in the very, very near future. Thank you for watching. Let's just talk a little bit more on... Actually, no, we're just going to talk about comments in the next video. Thank you for watching.